For my 6th grade HTML CSS programming class, I have them create their own personal website as a capstone project at the end of the 9-week cycle class. It is a Canvas assignment, and I always list learning objectives in each of my assignments. And basically, I give them the tags that they're going to have to use, and then I list each requirement and what is going to be required of them for that particular program, along with some reminders of how they might use code.org website, which is where where the students build their website. I let them know that there's going to be a rubric used to score their project, and I've attached a rubric. This rubric, I had one, but I didn't have the outcomes. So now that we know how to use outcomes, I recreated the rubric using outcomes. Each of these outcomes is one portion of the project, and it will allow me to assess my students' mastery of these particular items, which were covered in the course. So this is my rubric, and the outcomes for this course are, of course, under outcomes. Now, my district did not load any standards or outcomes, so this is the first that I've used them. So for each outcome, I have listed the name of the portion of the website, what needs to be included in that portion, and I'm using the most recent score as my calculation method, and I've gone with meets expectations as far as the points where mastery will be observed. So there's an outcome for each of the requirements. So one web page leads to another, which then leads to another, and another. And then they also have to include images and include a cascading style sheet to style their website. Using this rubric gives the students a full view of what's expected to complete the project. It's very specific as to what they have to do in each one of these outcomes. And I will use the rubric when I use the speed grader to grade their finished personal web page project.